Hey, in this video, we are talking about affiliate marketing on YouTube and specifically how to create an eye-catching thumbnail on Canva. Now, if you are not familiar with Canva, it is a free program that you can use online, and it helps you to create all kinds of graphics. So you can create thumbnails or Facebook posts or all kinds of different things. You can also upgrade to, I think it's like a $12 a month version, but the free version works really well and a lot of people use it. The really good thing about this is that you can store all your content on Canva. So when you go to work on something, you can work on your desktop or laptop or whatever and come back to it anywhere that you are, and all of your stuff is there. So I really enjoy that a lot. But regardless of that, let's talk about how to create a thumbnail that's going to pop and get people to click on it as opposed to the other videos that they see. Let's go ahead and start now. So I have Canva open, and again, it's Canva like the word canvas without the S. And you can design a lot of different things in here, but I'm going to talk about thumbnails, obviously. So we click on here, we type in YouTube thumbnail. All right, you see it already pops up here. So you click on that, and they're going to give you a lot of examples. All right, so they're going to give you lots of different things you can choose from. Well, earlier I made these two thumbnails here. One is teach your puppy to sit in 10 minutes. Look at that cute little puppy. And then how to never strike out again. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put these two together really quickly and just show you how the process works. You can do these really fast once you learn how to do it. And again, the program is free. All right, so let's start with a cute puppy thumbnail. What I did is I actually found one down here. Right here is actually a different dog thumbnail, and I thought that looked super cute. So we're going to open that, and we're actually going to pick a different dog. Even though this puppy is really cute, I'm going to press delete, and then I can actually come to the photo section and just type in puppy. And you have all these super cute puppies to choose from. Well, I found this puppy right here, if you recall. And I'm just going to drag the puppy and drop. Well, not really drop the puppy, but you know what I'm saying. The puppy's kind of covered at the moment. If I wanted to, I could grab this and move it, but I don't really want to do that. I'm just going to click back on the image, and I'm going to hit flip and flip horizontal. Well, now the puppy is right here. Okay. I want to actually take the puppy. I'm going to double click on this and just expand, I guess you could say. So see this over here, I can just drag that just a little bit and make the puppy a little bit bigger. You know, if I want to go larger, I could too. We'll leave the puppy about there and hit done. And then now the puppy is super big. And right here, all you really need to do, and this is one reason I like Canva a lot, is you just click on what you want to type on and then backspace. And then just type in whatever you want. So we said, teach your puppy to sit in 10 minutes. One thing we can do is if we want to make our wording look a little bit different, we could change that to like a yellow, make that kind of stand out a little bit. We can make it like we can make our background blue. I actually kind of like that better. This kind of teal aqua color and the yellow contrast well. One trick that I'll actually do sometimes is just grab the bottom of my screen and just shrink it down and see what it looks like from the size maybe of a phone or something around there. Just make sure that it looks good and that it pops. So again, as you can see, this is pretty simple. You're just adding a picture, changing the words, changing the colors. Next up, let's move over to the photograph of the batter. All right, so this is what we wanted to end up with. So let's go ahead and build that. All right, so we're going to go one more time to YouTube thumbnail. And again, I looked at these beforehand just to speed things up a little bit, but you're really limitless as to what you can do. The one I saw that I kind of liked was this one of the lady running. So click that. And in my mind, I was thinking, you know, we're teaching people, let's say, about how to hit baseballs. So we don't want a lady running if we're trying to teach about hitting baseballs. So now we need to find the baseball image. So we're going to come over to photos and then baseball. And keep in mind, you can do baseball bat, glove, field, all of that. I'm just gonna hit baseball, and that's where I found this image. Now, this is a pro image, and I think you have to pay like $1 for these if you don't have the full membership. I have the monthly membership. I think it's like 12 bucks. But there's a lot of great images you can use regardless. So I'll put that right there, and let's say I want these images to be, let's say, white, because that would contrast against that there. And we can extend this just a little bit if we want, kind of move that up. And then let's say this is a video. So we could say like watch video now. And then if we want to click this and make this maybe red to make that pop a little bit. Then let's change this to say how to never strike out again. And obviously that is too big. So we're going to just shrink that up a little bit. We'll put it about there, and we can stretch out a bit. And let's make this red also, just to match. How to never strike out again. Bam. So there you go. All right, at this point you would just hit download, and you would pick whether you want a PNG or JPEG or whatever. You can also increase or decrease your size of the thumbnail. And that's pretty much it. So this is an easy program. Again, it's free, and you can store all of your content there. So this can be used on multiple computers. You can go to your desktop and laptop and go back and forth. Again, you can oftentimes use faces like the puppy face or people face, whatever. Make sure that your words contrast against the background and really stand out and compete against the other thumbnails that are going to be right next to it. So that's it for thumbnails. Now in the next video, we're going to talk about how to give Google and YouTube exactly what they want, and that will help you to rank better. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that now. Talk to you soon.